Good morning, everybody. Thank you once again for joining me for today's episode of Digital Matters with Hunku Alikama. And it's a great day for me, and I hope it is for you as well. Thank you for always being there, for watching every episode that I upload. And I want to say today also promises to be a great, one. And I started another series last week, which is business automation. And I hope you watched the video. If you have not, please, the video is still much available on the YouTube channel. Or if you're watching it from Facebook, you can actually get the video because a lot has been said concerning that. And before I continue, I just want you to do a few things for me. I want you to click on the subscribe button below, and also click on the that bell notification in order to get updates about new videos I'll be uploading from time to time. So having done that, then let's dive to today's matter. Last week I started business automation, and I said business automation is one of the things you should work on, especially if you are running a small scale business and you want your business to grow and scale, and you don't have much money to run sophisticated applications and tools. There are some simple tools that you can use and still get a lot of things done, just like I do in my business. So, and I introduced us to VYAPAR. VYAPAR is a business inventory and invoice creation application. Unfortunately, this application runs on your phone and also on your personal computer, and I want to say that it's actually free, but if you want to go an extra mile, you can actually pay some dollars per year to actually get the full feature of the app on desktop. So today I will continue from where I stopped last week. I want to go into full details about VYAPAR. Remember, if you have any question concerning today's video or you want any clarification, please feel free to drop it under the comment section below. And please do well to like this video if it has been of benefit to you, and share it with your friends. Share the message with your friend. Let your friend also benefit from this. Thank you so much for joining me. Video practical session, and now we want to go straight to the Play Store. To the Play Store to download our VYAPAR app. So let's just search for VYAPAR app. As you can see, it is here already. Invoicing, billing, GST, inventory, accounting. So here you just say you ought to see install. So you just need to install it. So I need to run an update. So if you're here to install it, just install it. It's just take few minutes or few seconds. So you just open. So now this is the app. It's made by the Indian, so developed by the Indians, and as you can see, the interface is very good. I've shown you last week. So now the first thing you need to do is to create your company. So that's what we'll be looking at today. So all you just need to do is manage. Of course, if you are creating it newly, you will be asked for your phone number and your email address, to sign up. So after you have done that, you just need to come back. You'll be redirected here. So you just come over here manage company. So you can add as many company as possible here. As you can see, I have 3 of my businesses because I do different things. So every of my records, they have been separated, so for proper inventory and analysis. So all I need to do is just to add a new company. So I will give it Track Tech Consulting. That is just for the purpose of this video. Then I'll put in my email address, +23481, my phone number 52734. So you'll be told to create company. So just click on create company. So you ask for your country. So that's that one that I've created a new company. So the next thing I want to do is to edit this company. What I want to do now is I want to manage this company. So I'll just click here. My business card, I can create a business card concerning this business. So I just put my address. This is 13. Let me just put Track Tech Hub, Bansheke, Abeokuta. So that's just it. So we are consulting guru. So as you can see, every details I'm putting here is, so this app is very powerful. I can create my business card here almost immediately. So whatever information I'm pushing here will be shown there. So I will just put here that I'm a service. My business type is service. Business category, let me see if consulting is here. Professional service. So if it's not here, just put the one that applies to your service or your product. Let me just put one here for the sake of time. Let me just put coaching and training. So then your signature. This signature is very, very important, so that when you are creating your invoice, it will actually show in your invoice. So you can easily now save it. You can save it. So that's been done. I think we need to add logo to that effect. So you just click on add logo here. So then add logo. Then you go to your gallery and choose the appropriate logo you want to use for the so let me just come over here and choose logos that I know. So okay, let me see if we can. Let's see if I can pick any logo from here. This is a demo, so it might not be perfect. So don't think there's any logo here. So gallery. So I'm sorry, this is actually taking enough time, which it shouldn't, but let me just pick anything, just any. Let me just pick any from here. Remember, it's logo, so don't mind me. use this as the logo. So the logo has been placed here. So I can easily save it. Now that we are done with the whole setup, so I can share this business card with people via WhatsApp. I can share it with people. If somebody is asking for my logo, I can just send it almost immediately. I can share it to my status, and I can also share it to people. So let me see if I can share it to a contact. So let me say here. If you can see it. So it's been sent to people. So that's that on that. So that's done. Now the next thing I want to do briefly, because we'll not be able to take everything today, is to add our sales, to add our items. Yeah, that's the first thing we need to do. So to take our stock. So let's say new item now. You can type the name of the item. Let's say the name of the first item I have in my business is let's just assume I'm into electronics. Let me just say ordinary earpiece. So you can give it a item code. Just give it one. Your sales price, how much you want to sell it, how much do you buy it, 200. How many do you have in stock? You click on this stock in details to know how many of these do you have in stock. So let's say I have 50 in stock. So as at today, so this minimum stock quantity is the stock quantity that you want it to be before you see alert that you are almost out of stock. So I just put, what I'm saying is that once it is 5, once I have 5 more quantity, then please alert me. So you can decide to put image. You can decide to add an image to it. So you can decide to put an image of the earpiece to it, depending on what you want to do. So you can decide to put the image. I don't know why I'm not being able to see these designs. I don't know why, but just bear with me. So you can decide to put image, okay, and just save it. So that's that on that. You can add as many items. Let's say charger, original charger. Put it as 2. I sell it for 1,500 naira. I bought it for 800 naira. I have 10 in quantity. Notify me once it's 2. Then I save it. So this is how to add your items. You can add as many items as possible. This is where I want to stop today. So by next week I will continue with adding items, adding their images, then how to now take payments, and then how to import and export your item, and some other fun things that you can do. I will continue from there next week. Thank you once again for your time, and I pray that God will be with us all. Merry Christmas in advance. God bless you. Bye.